Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony and this is Forever Ebony. So today you guys, I'm here with a new bag that's actually a second go round for me. And I'm also giving you an update on what I decided to do with the Speedy 20 trunk. It took so long for me to get it, and when I finally got it, I was so disappointed. Not in the bag itself, because the bag was gorgeous. The craftsmanship, the details, everything was perfect. My disappointment was with how the strap fit on it. I held on to it for a few days trying to make it work, but I realized that it really wasn't the strap itself that was the issue. Since the Speedy trunk is smaller in both weight and width compared to, let's say, my Speedy 25 or Pochette Matisse, even though the strap was as long as the straps for those bags, it wasn't going to hit the same sweet spot on me crossbody. The proportions of the bag is what made the strap feel much shorter, and that's actually what affected how it fit and sat on me. Now, I went back and forth on the idea of bag extenders, and I found the perfect ones, but they just didn't feel like the right fit for me with this bag. I really wanted a clean, streamlined look with it, and I just didn't want to make any adjustments that didn't feel like a natural extension of the bag. It was purely a personal preference. Again, the bag was gorgeous, but it just was impractical for how I wanted to wear it, so I ended up not keeping it and making my way back to this bag. I originally purchased this bag a few months ago, but I honestly don't think I gave it a fair chance. So here it is again, and it is here to stay this time. It came shipped to me beautifully in the new holiday packaging, which just added to the excitement and the feeling of getting something special this time around. And here it is, you guys, the NéoNoé MM in monogram in black leather. I really wish I would have given this bag a fair chance the first time around, but I could not be happier to have it back. The price did go up a bit since I initially purchased it, but honestly, I'm okay with that. Maybe that'll teach me a lesson to take my time deciding like I did with the Speedy trunk. When I had this bag before, I remember feeling like the top of the bag wasn't that comfortable on my shoulder, and the leather strap felt a bit stiff, but looking back, I really didn't fully give it the time it deserved. I've been wanting a bucket style bag for the longest, and I even looked at other brands like the Coach Denim Willow shoulder bag, the Saint Laurent Lee 37, and the new Gucci GG emblem shoulder bag, but no matter what, I just kept coming back to the NéoNoé. After I decided that I was going to repurchase it, I went in store to get it, and I was faced with another dilemma: to get the canvas version or to get it in the bicolor empreinte leather. All of my current Louis Vuitton bags are canvas, so it felt like a natural progression to consider the leather one, but I'll be honest, the leather version just felt a little too bold for me. Don't get me wrong, this bag is bold in itself with all this monogram, but in the end, this one just felt right. The leather one was also much heavier than this bag. This bag, if you own it, you know it's lightweight, and the leather one is heavier than this bag. Not excessively heavy, but it was a noticeable difference as far as weight. One of the things that I did like about the leather version is that it came with a top handle strap. I want to say that the earlier canvas versions of the NéoNoé came with the top handle strap, but they don't anymore. And I always knew that I wanted to add a top handle strap to this bag. Before I decided to go ahead with this purchase, I was watching a video from another YouTuber, LaWanda Bird. I'm going to link her channel and her video in the description box, but she paired her NéoNoé with a leather top handle strap, and it really completed the look. So I ended up ordering this braided top handle strap. It's a full leather strap, and I think it's going to pair nicely with the bag. The clasp is really similar to the hardware on the strap that came with the bag, which I'll show you in a second. And this is what it looks like on the bag. You guys, this is so pretty to me. It's a simple yet sophisticated addition, and it honestly makes me want to carry it top handle, just strictly as a top handle. It just feels so right and so necessary with the bag. Here's the strap that it comes with, and the strap is adjustable. To adjust it, you just unsnap it on both ends, and it pulls out to a longer crossbody strap. It fits nicely on me crossbody, but for me, it's strictly going to be top handled or on my shoulder. So I'm about to start using this bag right away. Me actually wanting to use this bag right away just totally lets me know how much I really needed to get this bag. The Speedy trunk, you guys, I never even had the urge to carry it, but this bag is getting used today. So I've already taken everything out that was inside my Pochette Matisse, and we're gonna just put it all in my NéoNoé. Before we do, I do also have bag organizers from when I had this bag before. I picked them up in black, which I'm really not sure why I chose black because the inside of the bag is black. I have a collaboration that's coming up really soon with an organizer company, and I've already requested that they send me over different ones for this bag, but these will have to do for now. Here's how it looks with the organizers inside. So it's still really dark inside. I don't know what I was thinking getting black organizers, but they're gonna help keep the inside clean and organized until my other ones arrive. So first inside is going to be my key pouch. I just got this one not too long ago, and I told you guys I would be getting an insert for it, so I just want to show you how the insert looks inside. I don't have my keys with me today because my husband is detailing my car, but they fit inside the pouch with the insert in it perfectly. And I just like having an insert because it helps keep the inside pristine, and I just love the pop of color. Next is my reverse monogram card case, my portable charger, chapstick, a hand sanitizer, my AirPods, my zippy coin purse in monogram, and I think I am really close to getting the ℂ𝕠𝕟𝕟𝕟 card holder. I've had a chance to see it in store a couple of times. The silver hardware is kind of throwing me off a little bit, but it really is such a small little detail, so I'm more than likely going to be getting that soon. And then finally my phone, which is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And that is everything inside. I kind of just threw everything inside. You're not really able to see because, again, the bag organizer is black. The different color organizer is really going to help being able to see everything. Once I get it, I can definitely come back and show you guys what it looks like inside. So here it is, you guys, my brand new NéoNoé in monogram with black leather trim. I really do wish that Louis Vuitton would give us more monogram and black leather bags. This to me is just a perfect combination. I was really close to getting the Speedy Soft 30, but that silver hardware just threw it off for me. I really think gold hardware would have been the way to go with that one, or I mean, at least give us the option for gold or silver. Overall, I'm so happy with this decision. I didn't give the NéoNoé a proper chance at first, but it is back and I could not be happier. As for the Speedy 20 trunk, I do have to say that I'm still in love with the concept of the bag. It really is beautiful, but it just wasn't the right fit. Ultimately, it was best for me to return it, and I don't regret that decision because this NéoNoé feels like the perfect bag for me right now. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video.